We begin this hour awaiting a major announcement from President Biden on the race to vaccinate the country against COVID-19.
That's right. The White House is expected to announce a vaccine requirement today for federal workers or strict testing for those who do not want to get the shot. This is expected to apply to all communities, regardless of transmission or vaccination rates. Earlier this week, the CDC recommended masks for all vaccinated people indoors, especially in areas with high COVID transmission rates. So if you just need an image to capture the seriousness of this threat, take a look at this map we put up on the screen. All the states that you see there in red, that's 40 of them, are seeing a spike in COVID cases. Now, a spike means a 100% increase over the last 2 weeks. So, for example, if you look down to Rhode Island, Kentucky, Alabama, cases there are up 300%. One of those cases in one of those states is New York. And now New York City is trying to really coax people to get vaccinated with cold hard cash. Starting tomorrow, anyone who gets a first dose of the vaccine at a city-run site will receive $100. This comes just days after Mayor Bill de Blasio set a vaccine mandate for all city health and hospital staff.
Our team of correspondents covering the pandemic from every angle at this hour. Let's start with the soon-to-be federal mandate out of Washington. With us now, NBC News correspondent Josh Lederman and NBCNews.com White House reporter Lauren Egan. Lauren, I do want to start with you on this. What more can you tell us about this federal vaccine mandate and how many people it might impact?
Yeah. Hey, guys. Well, we are expecting to hear from President Biden at 4 p.m. today, and I don't anticipate he's going to use the word mandate. Instead, they're viewing this more as a requirement, and that's because federal employees will have the option to either get vaccinated or submit themselves to some sort of regular COVID testing. Now, we don't know a lot of details yet about what exactly that COVID testing would look like. For example, how frequent would they have to do it? Where would they have to do it? Would only certain kinds of tests be required? So we expect the president to sort of unveil some of those details later this afternoon. And as to how many people will this encompass, the federal government is the largest employer in the country. So it's millions of people, you guys.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.